10th class trigonometry కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెక్ చేద్దాం ఈరోజు. టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయే ముందు ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ రేషియోస్ ఏంటో ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. రేషియోస్ ఏంటి, ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ ఐడెంటిటీస్ ఏంటో ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ రేషియోస్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ టీటా సైన్ టీటా ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఏమని రాయొచ్చు మనం అంటే 1/cosec టీటా, రైట్. కాస్ టీటా ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఏం రాయొచ్చు 1/sec టీటా. నెక్స్ట్ tan టీటా ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు sin theta by cos theta as well as 1/cot theta. Okay. Next, reciprocal. Cosec theta name rayachu manam cosec theta. We can write it as 1/sin theta. Right. Next, sec theta is equal to 1/cos theta. Next, cot theta is equal to cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta as well as 1/tan theta. These are trigonometry ratios, very important. Okay. Next, trigonometry identities. Identities any untai trigonometry identities means 3 identities are there. First one enti sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Right. Next one, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Another one, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. 3 identities are most important to solve trigonometry problems, right? These 6 types of ratios are important. Okay. సో ఇవి వస్తే మనం నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి మనకి యూజ్ అయ్యే మొత్తం 3 ఐడెంటిటీస్ 6 రేషియోస్. క్లియర్? సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి. నార్మల్గా రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ప్రాబ్లం ఒకటి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్, వాట్ ఇస్ ద క్వశ్చన్? ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ట్రయాంగిల్ PQR right angle is at Q. PQ is equal 3 cm and PR is equal 6 cm. Determine angle QPR and angle PRQ. We have to find out 2 angles. First we have to take right angle triangle. Where is the angle? Angle at Q. Right angle at Q. So we have to take as Q a right angle. So PQR is a right angle triangle. PQR is a right angle triangle, right? Next, PQ is equal to how much? PQ is equal to 3 cm and PR is equal to 6 centimeters, right? So we have to find out angle QPR, angle P as well as angle PRQ, this one. Theta anko, take as theta. So theta adjacent side by hypotenuse, right? So adjacent by hypotenuse means which one? Cos theta, right? So cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, right? So cos theta, we have to find out angle. So cos theta is equal to adjacent side 3 by hypotenuse 6. 3 1 yeah, 3 2 yeah, right? So cos theta is equal to 1/2. Here 1/2 value ఉంది కదా. So in terms of cos value ఎంత అంటే యాంగిల్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? Cos theta is equal to ఏమని రాయొచ్చు? Cos theta is equal to cos ఎంత? What is the value? Cos 60, right? Cos 60. Cos cancel. Theta is equal to how much? 60 degrees. So this one is 60 degrees. What about R? 30 degrees. Why? Because sum of 3 angles in the right angle triangle 180 degrees. Already we know that this one is 90 degrees. So remaining 2 must be 90 degrees, right? So 90 minus 60, that is equal to 30 degrees. Clear? Next one, show that tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta is equal sec power 4 theta minus sec square theta. So first of all you have to take LHS and you have to prove RHS, right? So LHS, what is the LHS here? What is the LHS? Tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta, right? So trigonometry ratios tan theta. So observe here, what is common here? Tan square, right? So take tan square theta as common. So 1 plus remaining tan square theta, right? Next, tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta means we know that, right? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So sec square theta is equal to, we can write it as 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? So 1 plus tan square theta, we can write it as sec square theta into sec square theta. Clear? Right? Now I am writing tan square theta as tan square theta is equal, what is it? From this, tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, what is it? Minus 1, right? Transpose of, for example, minus tan square theta right hand side plus tan square, right? Plus 1 left hand side minus 1, right? So sec square theta minus 1 into sec square theta. Clear? So multiply to inside sec square theta into sec square theta, sec power 4 theta minus 1 into sec square theta means sec square theta. Right? Check it. What is right hand side? Sec power 4 theta minus sec square theta. So LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? Okay, one more problem. Prove that the root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. So what is LHS here? LHS is equal to, take LHS, prove RHS, right? Square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. We have to rationalize the denominator here. So rationalize denominator means 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Right? And the root of 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta means 1 plus cos theta whole square, right? By, observe here, this one take as a minus b, right? A minus b into a plus b, right? First I will write this one. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Which formula? A plus b into a minus b, right? So the root of 1 plus cos theta whole square by a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. That is equal to 1 square minus cos square theta. Which formula means a plus b, a minus b into a plus b, or a plus b into a minus, both are same, right? Is equal to a square minus b square. Clear? Now check it. 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 square minus cos square theta. 1 means 1 minus cos square theta. We can write it as 1 minus cos square theta is equal to, what is the identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this one, 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta, right? Sin square theta. So replace here under root of 1 plus cos theta whole square by, what is it? Sin square theta. Observe here, we can cancel square root and squares, right? So cancel here, 2 squares ki square root cancel cheyandi. 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. So this one we can write it as individually. So 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta means, already we discussed ratios, right? 1 by sin theta means, already we discussed in the 1 by sin theta means cosec theta, right? So 1 by sin theta means, right? Just wait. Cosec theta plus cos theta by sin theta means cot theta. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS, right? LHS is equal to RHS. Write down. Here we use 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. Another one, cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. Clear? So the problem is 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Just we have to solve the problem. We have to evaluate this problem. Clear? What is the answer? What is the problem? 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Clear? Tan theta is equal to, we can write it as tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, and sec theta we can write it as 1 by cos theta. Clear? Next, cot theta is equal, we can write it as 1 by, in terms of cosine, cos theta by sin theta. Next, cosec theta. So cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Substitute all ratios in the given problem. So 1 plus tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, plus sec theta means 1 by cos theta, right? 1 plus cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. So cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. Now in the next step we have to do LCM, right? So what is LCM here? Cos theta. So cos theta plus sin theta plus what is here? 1, right? LCM cos theta. So 1 into cos theta, cos theta plus already cos cancel, right? Sin theta plus here also cos cancel. So plus 1. Clear? Here LCM sin theta. So sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, right? So here, observe here, cos theta plus sin theta, here sin theta plus cos theta, right? So assume that cos theta plus sin theta as A plus 1 as B, right? So here also sin theta plus cos theta assume as A, 1 as B. So A plus B into A minus B, right? So cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square by cos theta into sin theta. ఎలా రాసామది? A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Is it here? A is equal to sin theta plus cos theta. B is equal to 1. Clear? So A square minus B square. So next step, A plus B whole square, expand it. A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB, right? So cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 into sin theta or 2 into cos theta into sin theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. Right? Next step. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to what is? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Identity. 1, right? So take as 1 plus 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. ఎలా రాసామది? We know that identity, right? Sin square theta plus cos square, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Trigonometry identity. So this value is 1 plus 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1. Observe here, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, right? What is remaining? What is remaining? 2 cos theta into sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Simply these two are cancelled, right? Cos theta and sin theta. So what is remaining? 2. So the answer is 2. Next problem. Show that cos theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Easy problem. What is LHS here? LHS. What is LHS? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square, right? So ratios, cosec theta we can write it as cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, right? cot theta means cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, right? Replace these ratios. So cosec theta means 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta whole square, right? Do LCM. What is LCM here? Sin theta. Clear? So 1 minus cos theta whole square. A by B whole square means A square by B square. So we can write it as 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. Clear? From identity sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta, we can write it as 1 minus cos square theta, right? In the denominator, 1 minus cos square theta, take it as a square minus b square. A is equal to 1, b is equal to cos theta, right? A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b, right? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b, right? So 1 minus cos theta whole square by a square minus b square means 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, right? In the numerator position, 1 minus cos square theta, we can write it as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, both are cancelled, right? So what is remaining? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Check it, RHS, right? Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? Very easy problem. Do it.